we go. We'll start it. Lost all my tools again. However, there you go. I got one of these today. We're going to do the painting for these. So start with all these. Got to be fill it, then do it. So this is how I started with the crochet bit. So I'll just use the done that, and then so it's just knock all the corrosion down. So that's easy to clean like that. It could be matted or something like that. And then I'm going to use one of these P60 sandpaper. Do for all those, that will make a little bit of shiny before we do the pillaring. Right, now what I'm going to do is just wrap them all out. I'm going to give a quick clean. So I've got to take a kind of a scraper thing or screwdriver or something like that to get that all off in a minute, and then wrap it again and just clean it again. And then just I'm going to fillet it. So, and then that little tiny piece could be just a small scraper thing or something like that to take them all off. So, yeah, I'm going to clean them all off. Yeah, I've cleaned them with the brush, but however, the edges need to be like scrape it down, and because they're like still not right, so that to be come off, and then before go the filler on. So just take all the hard the corrosion off, and then for this part I have to put something under here and make it to this shape, almost sideways, and then put a mat over it, and then filler it. Yeah, I've done the P60, 60 sand this side, a little bit on this side, and I'm going to do the same this side as well. I'm going to just take all this out, fill this hole, and knock all these things down, and you see this is how the it's even worse than that side. So I'm going to keep the edge so that I can put mat over it, and I'm going to I don't want to damage it, so I'm going to just scrape it off and then put some mat over it, and then just do that from that end. That'll work. Yeah, this is easy to do thing, so that because this is a common problem on Vito. So you don't need to pay too much money towards to it, because at the end of the day, no matter how good you've done it, it will get corroded. So it's better spend least money and get the job done right as much as possible. You don't need to throw too much money on it, it's not worth it. So yeah, the cheapest way anybody can do it. I'll get on with the next after I scrape all that and then wrap it all up and just give a quick wash it, let it dry, and then I'm going to filler it. Let's see if I can do it today, so for that as well. Right, now cleaning part. That's the job. That's the logic, isn't it? And there you go, tissue. There you go, that's done the trick. Yeah, I take the bar off because it's gone inside here as well, so it'd be easier to take the bar off and clean it up, because it's not very difficult. All you do is just from here, if you just push it, and it'll be sliding. Actually, if you push it backward, and it should come off. So, and then you can walk around the corners and all that, and then on this side the same. There's a little screw in this side, so if you take the, where's that gone? That little screw off, and that'll be the same. If you slide it backward, that'll come off as well. This one has a lot of work to be done, so I just go easy on it because the metal part is very soft, so you don't want to dent it or make a hole or anything like that. So just tap it a little bit, and then you use, so that will loosen the corrosion, and then I use the knife to cut the edges, and then again tap it necessary if you need it, and then I also use the wire brush. But when it comes to painting, you need to have a good preparation, so the more you do the preparation, it'd be better, because you don't want to the paint to come off after you painting it, and then if you doesn't clean it well, so you have to take all the corrosion out, so that will give you a good work. So when you paint it, and it won't peel off or anything like that.